Today we're gonna make teriyaki honey beef fajitas. To get started on making our teriyaki honey fajitas, we're gonna first with marinating our steak. So we have flank steak here, skirt steak you can use as well. And for our marinade, we're gonna do 1/3 cup of teriyaki. We're gonna do a tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna do a little fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, we're gonna do juice from 1 lime, or you can use lime juice if you have. And then we're gonna do garlic clove. That right in the marinade. And then of course honey, right? We need that too. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of honey. There we go. And then we're gonna add black pepper to taste. So I'm gonna sprinkle some in here, and then if we need to, we can always add a little bit more. Okay, so we're gonna whisk this together, incorporate the honey. Gotta get the honey to dissolve into the teriyaki. Perfect, and then I'm gonna put our meat right into this bowl and I'm gonna stick it in the refrigerator. Now this is a good one because if you wanna do meal prep, you can marinate this on Monday, stick it in the, or whatever weekday, stick it in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag or in a bowl, cover it with some saran wrap, and then let it marinate overnight, and then you have the next day's dinner ready. So look, I'm submerging this steak all the way in the marinade, and I'm gonna pop this in the refrigerator. So while our steak is marinating, I'm gonna cut up our veggies to get ready for cooking up our steak fajitas. And then you can use whatever bell peppers you like, whatever color. Sometimes I like to use different ones, but okay, we're gonna slice them. Half moons. Do you cry when you cut onions? I don't, and I have no idea why. I don't even know if there's a trick, but sometimes when I try to have the kids help me, they can't even cut the onion, but I don't know, for some reason I don't have that issue, but I'm not really quite sure if there's a trick. I always hear. If you guys know of a trick to not crying when you cut onions, leave a comment below and let me know. So I'm gonna cut up our pepper now. Perfect. So now our veggies are ready, and we're gonna get our marinated steak and we're gonna go to the stovetop and grill it all up. So to get started on cooking our steak, we're gonna use a cast iron skillet, high heat. You wanna get this nice and hot. Here's our marinade. It's been marinating for several hours. Can't wait. So our skillet's nice and hot. I'm gonna take our steak out of the marinade. We're just gonna cook it for 3-4 minutes on either side because I definitely like it nice and medium rare inside. So we're just gonna cook it a couple minutes on either side. So our steak is nice and charred on one side, so we're gonna flip that over. We've cooked the steak. Look at that nice char on both sides. I'm gonna put it right here on this cutting board, and I'm gonna let it rest while we cook our veggies. So now in the same skillet, we're just gonna add a little olive oil. And we're gonna throw our veggies in. So while our veggies are cooking in the skillet, we've let our steak sit, rest, and now it's time to cut it. So we're gonna slice it against the grain so you can see the grain is going this way. I'm gonna slice this way. Look at that, perfectly cooked. So we're gonna slice this up and then we're gonna add it back. You can see here our onions and our peppers are cooking, and now I'm gonna add our steak back. And actually, while I'm tossing all of this together, I have a little bit more of the marinade left over. I'm gonna toss that to the pan to cook the rest of this. Our teriyaki honey marinated fajitas are ready. You can pair this up with some great recipes that you can find on my website at nikkigleckis.com. I'm gonna try one now. I would serve this for dinner tonight with some tortillas, some cheese, avocado, lime, sour cream, whatever you guys like. But I'm just gonna do one here with a little meat, some onions, and peppers. And I would serve this. Look at this beautiful skillet of meat and veggies. Look at that. Okay. That's it. So good.